It's a little project I've been working on. I haven't been riding as much as I was before just 'cause it's been pretty hot. So I bought this canoe because I started fishing again, and went a little crazy on modifying it. I was originally going to get a kayak, but I went out kayaking and canoeing and I like the canoe better. So I bought this canoe and just set it up. So basically I put a electric trolling motor on it because I'm too lazy to paddle. It's a Minn Kota trolling motor. I got a little extension on there. I added a milk crate to the back with some rod holders, and there they are. I didn't like the original canoe seats. They weren't super comfortable, so I added this seat in the back here, kind of like what's in some of the kayaks I've seen, but it's actually like a bleacher seat. And I put a 100 amp hour battery in here, I think it was. I got a Garmin fish finder. I 3D printed this shade for it. It's the CV. It's got the different transducer. I put outriggers on here, and they extend pretty far. I have to slide them out, and then I get this Scotty mount, like transducer thing, and it flips down, but it won't do it with the outriggers on there. Anyways, kind of see how that works. And these outriggers, they go out pretty far. They make the canoe like over 6 feet wide when it's all done. It's super stable, and they're pretty adjustable. You see, I've had it out a couple times. It's got this seat in the front. This is where my son usually sits. We've had this out a few times. I put these little cheap floor mats in here because when you're standing up in here, it can get a little slippery. This is his tackle box and cooler. Got rod holders on the front, and these two rod holders on the back here. Works out pretty good. This is just a motorcycle tank bag I've had laying around. I just put it there. Works pretty good. And add a little switch right here. Put a light on the front of the boat. Thought that would be kind of handy. Haven't really used it yet though. It's just a cheap Walmart LED, and I got the, I think, Atwood battery powered running lights for the front and the back, so I can go at night. I made this aluminum bracket that holds the light. It came with a little plastic mount, but I didn't use that. I made this one out of aluminum. It's really solid. You can shake the whole boat with it. And this little mount holds the light, and then it gives a little place for the winch to hook into for pulling the boat up on the trailer. I think this boat still weighs less than 200 pounds, fully loaded. I tried to keep it really lightweight. I used aluminum and just kept it light. The heaviest thing is the battery. And when this battery craps out, I think I'm going to get a lithium battery. So I was looking at some, and I could put a 200 amp battery in that same amount of space if I get the lithium. And then I was gonna originally haul it on the top of my truck, but that didn't work. So I built this trailer from some scrap metal that was laying around. It works pretty good. It's just got these 2x6 planks, and I bought the 2x6 and the carpet at Home Depot, and I just had them cut the carpet to the right size. And the trailer is just scrap metal except for the tires I bought at Walmart, and the fenders and the lights and the other parts I got off of Amazon. But I think that's about it. That's what it looks like there. Thanks for watching.